Hey guys, this is Julie, J Trading Strategies, and going to show you an updated template. Got it working in Blackbird. My apologies. There was a change that I made in the template, and I'll show you what that is. But you can see that the executions now for these multiple orders are executing at the different location uh, when the condition occurs at different times. So everything is getting a separate execution properly. So that's all working out. And here are the trades. And you can see that this is not a canned algo. I'm not selling an algo. This is just a method for executing according to a process you can set up with the indicators. This particular process worked out pretty good. And it can be refined. I mean, this is very basic, and it still looks like it's a pretty solid foundation to build on. So what I've done to make the correction, and you can see that the orders now are separated, and it's currently in a trade, is I've taken the distance between the first 15-minute range of the 14 periods. I'm taking a percentage of that range and taking a entry short if it comes up and tags my level, which is just in front of the stop loss for the market. And if it comes down and hits the profit target first, then a second entry trigger can fire off if the logic is there with linear regression of requiring that. If there's not linear regression, then it will not trigger. This If this limit entry is triggered, then you'll get another second entry short, or one or two more short. And again, you can move these around. This is a limit order. If you want it to be further, you can set your risk further out and require that volatility be at a certain threshold. We went through this. These stay the same on fixing thresholds for your time frames. So you could go through your ES and get your volatility threshold for a 15-minute and base your range on that. And go to town. I've got a okay. So it oh, this is a this is not live condition. This is historic. So I'm not sure what it's going to be doing. This is the back test, not live trading. But it would not have hit the stop loss. Do you see that? Missed it by a tick. Talk about algorithmic. But we would have been short another trade, so I'm not sure what's going on because it's in live conditions. It's not trading live. It's a back test. But it's all back testing correctly. In fact, let me turn the back test off, and I will put it on live, and we'll take some few trades. Uncheck that. So it's requiring momentum and linear regression for this Here's my linear regression. I've got momentum in the solver. And then for the limit order, I can require it to be on either medium or high volatility before it takes that pullback, um, because I don't want to take a pullback in low volatility. The range is too small to be doing that. And you can change your profit and stop distance, and I again base it on this percentage of that first standard deviation of the 15-minute range, the custom 15-minute range between 8:30 and 8:45. Okay, sorry about that. Had a little bit of technical difficulties, but we got the template back up and running. There's no current signal, wouldn't you know? Which is good though. I mean, you have a template in a system, you want, it to execute according to the math of the logic that you've coded into it, and instead of relying on your own signals. Um, so again, this is just a very basic underlying structure. By no means am I advocating that you use this, and the template uh, has the MACT um, template, and I'll make sure that if you don't have the MACT, um, I'll create a version without that, so that you can add your own separate logic in there for controlling more of a direction for market structure. I like linear regression. So, or just pick up the linear regression indicator or the MACT, and MACT template, and I can help you get that fixed up. One or the two. So that's it. It's looking good. Got a pullback, second entry, and all on one order ticket, and then the phantom orders. I've added order set A, B, and C for the cancellations. So this order set D should never even fire off. Its purpose is to cancel A, B, and C should it um, conclude whatever it is going to do. So looking like it is a template that's up and running now. So I'll get this into the training room, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much.